How to reverse a video in Alight Motion. We only have the speed control in Alight Motion. Move it towards the turtle to make it slower, and move it towards the head to make it faster. You can keyframe the speed too, which is useful. How do we reverse the video in Alight Motion? It's not possible. There is no feature in Alight Motion to reverse a video, but we can use other apps or websites to reverse our video. I've imported my video into KineMaster. I can just press reverse, wait for the reversing to complete, then export the video, and bring the reversed video into Alight Motion. You can use CapCut too. It also has a video reversing feature. In short, you can use reversed videos in Alight Motion, but you cannot reverse them in Alight Motion.